Hey guys, Liz Pevytoe here. I look a hot mess today. This is not the normal Liz you get on live videos, but the topic I have for you today, and this works perfect. It works absolutely perfect for the topic that I want to talk about with you today. So, if you're tuning in live, tell me where you're tuning in from. If you're watching the replay, type in replay down below. If you don't know me, I'm in network marketing now. I've been a registered nurse for 24 years, and I have an autoimmune disease, and this week has been really, really rough. Really rough. So, I've slept probably for the last 7 days, I probably slept 5 of it. Okay, so let's talk about why is today the day for you to go live. Okay, let's chit chat about it. Okay, so let me start off with a question. I actually just shared a video into my going live workshop that talked about this, and I want to expound on it. Okay, so let me ask you this question. Is it better to just go ahead and go live like this when you have something to share with people? Or is it better to wait until you have the perfect scenario, a good background, you look good, you feel 100% prepared, you've taken all the classes, you've done all the work, you have the stand, you have the light, which one's better? Go ahead and go live when you're inspired or excited and just roll with it and learn with it and do it even if you look a hot mess. Or is it better to wait and do a really professional video? Okay, let me ask you that question. See if anybody's listening. Of course, Angie knows the right answer. Okay, girls. So y'all are answering with the right answer, but let me ask you this question. Are you doing it? So, here's the bottom line. Who wants to hear the bottom line? The bottom line is, it is not at all about you. Okay? People don't tune into my videos because they think I'm cute. Obviously. Okay? They tune into my videos because I provide value. I solve a problem. Okay? Or I inspire them. It's not about me at all. It's about the words that are coming out of my mouth and the value that I'm adding to them. People are watching your videos because they're asking themselves, what can this do for me? That's really what they're asking. So, this isn't going to be a long video. Now I have 2 more questions for you, okay? I can't even believe I went live looking like this. I'm proving a point. Do you have a product or service that solves a problem? Or do you have a message that can inspire or encourage someone? If you answer yes to either one of those questions, I'm going to go as far as to say it is your obligation to share that with the world. Okay? And let me just say from experience, because I've been doing the social medias for a long time, for 5 years, lives are the very best way to impart that information onto the world. Facebook likes it, which means more people are going to see it, and then you can make that video go to work for you and put it on YouTube, and it's there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to inspire or solve problems for people all day, every day. Okay? So today is the day. If you've been putting it off, let me back up. I have a going live workshop that people pay for to get into. I used to let people in for free, but that was a hot mess. People don't value free. So now people pay for it. So I've had around 300 people that have taken this workshop. And I'm not exaggerating to you. It's a good workshop. I give you lots of good tips. It's the nitty gritty, like Cliff Notes version of what you need to do to go live. But out of the 300 people, about 50 have gone live. Okay? So today is the day, guys. You don't, that workshop is good, but you don't need a workshop. You just need to go live. You need to do what's scary. You need to get your information out there. You need to go solve those problems, inspire and encourage people. Be you. Be willing to just fumble through your first couple of lives, because it's just the way it goes. But guys, don't withhold the information that could help people. Somebody out there, literally, what you have to offer them could change their life. It could deliver them from poverty. If you have a work from home opportunity, if you have a product that makes people feel better, you could get somebody like me out of bed. You know, like, why are you withholding people from a solution? Because you're scared to get in front of the camera? I mean, think that through, guys. Think it through. It's not about you. Make it about your product. Make it about your service. Make it about serving people, and it makes it a little bit less scary. So, I love you guys. I just wanted to kind of kick you in the booty today and tell you that if you know you need to go live, then freaking go live. Do it. Even if you look bad. Okay, so that's all. That's all I've got. Yes, I am always right. Mic drop. Okay, yes. Thank you. Thank you for viewing. Y'all have a great day. Go live. Go do it. Right now. Right now. As soon as this is over, go do it. Bye-bye.